I also did not get to mention that for reteaching, I'm so sorry, like I said, these videos are all over the place. For reteaching, I would be using the videos, use more than one video for the students to fully understand the concept of even and odd. And I have found a book, I don't have it with me right now, but I found a book that it gives them an idea. It's a fun little math book. It makes it interesting, giving a starting point of what even and odd stands for. And for the modifications, I would basically just have students just use pictures and numbers to describe an even or odd number. Some students can have an extra time to finish. Some students could even use the flashcards in Spanish or any other preferred language. For extensions wise, for the older kids, or not the older kids, but the kids that are able to grasp onto the lesson really to understand it quicker, those students, I would want them to make a script of what or how they would explain even and odd to a younger child. In this case, I have it as in kindergartens, but it doesn't have to be a kindergarten. It could be someone that their little brother, their little sister, or even an adult. That way I know, hey, they fully understood the lesson. But for my formative assessments, once students are done, students will circle the even numbers and underline the odd numbers from 1 through 10, and then summative just grade their number lines if I were to be in the classroom. Give me 1 second. And then, as I mentioned earlier, modifications, if for English learners beginning, teachers can work with the students who need additional help in one-on-one on a one-on-one setting, and the intermediate English learners, I can have the students just use pictures and numbers to describe an even or odd number with the vocabulary. And for the advanced English learners, students will have the vocabulary in their language preferred. And then gifted and learners, like I mentioned, the students will write a script. For the SPED modifications, students will only have to label one even number and one odd number in a picture that will be provided. For instructional strategies, I can use this as the 4 corners, just identifying, numbers 1 through 4, exit tickets, the acting out, as in the acting out would stand for like the having 5 students come up in the front of the classroom and pair up with someone, or I think pair share. But yeah, that's about it. For the activities that I had planned for the students to be working in the classroom is pairs. That way they can get done quicker, and we would be able to run through the lesson pretty smoothly. And so yeah, thank you.